Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. Turn notifications to be a huge thumbs up. Oh,
Where have you been? Where have you been? Where have you been, huh?
I like wear this. If I'm not wearing it. Where have you been? Oh, where have you been?
Who do you think this person is?
I don't know.
I don't know who that is.
Bad girl.
Sit. Roll over. Roll over. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Roll over.
Does she start going fast?
Do it again until she laughs. She likes it. Oh, good bird.
Good bird. She wants to keep doing it because she bobs her.
Can I go for a treat, please? Can I please go for
Whoa.
Good bird. Step up. Step up. Rach, don't. She's gonna drop the. Step up. Good bird. Step up. Yeah, good bird. Come here, Jude. She's not very. I don't know why she's not hungry.
Step up.
Why?
She even
Step
lifts up her foot.
Step up.
Step up.
Step up.
She just said it. Step up. Out in the wild.
Dun, 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 dun. The bird is in the bushes. The bird is in the bushes. Quick, somebody. The bird.
Don't scream at her. She walks on the.
Was on a wild adventure with Luna.
Come here. Come here. Look it. Oh no.
Oh! Wow.
So Eric, Kendall, and Jude went to the store to get stuff because we are going to film a mukbang tonight, a mukbang, a seafood one. All the kids want it, and so do I for Mother's Day. Right now, I have to get this massage table. We have a massage table. Don't mind the cat bed underneath and a random cup. But I have to put this massage table away. Also, I'm cooking bacon because I am making something delicious that I like. It's probably not very good for you, but it's a tortilla with cream cheese on top and pieces like bacon bits on it and onion, and you roll it up into like a roll. It's really good. But I'm kind of craving it, so I'm gonna make some. Okay, I have my tortilla, I have my bacon, I have my cream cheese. I'm going to put the cream cheese on the tortilla, and then I'm going to take scissors and cut these up and spread it all over, and I will show you that. Usually it has onions on it, but I'm not putting onions. Finished product. Wow! It's huge!
Yeah, Jude's gonna share her bubblegum with.
I am making a seafood boil for our mukbang. And I have corn, eggs, and red potatoes in here. And I have onions that I'm going to saute up for my beloved Smackalicious sauce.
So what do you expect the rest of your night to look like, Rachel?
Well, we're going to eat good food, and everyone's going to help me clean up.
Okay.
And then I would like us to like sit down and just hang out, all of us in the living room together or something.
So we just got these new organizers, and Rachel was going to do a video about it because they're amazing. Our cupboards have been absolutely ridiculous, but
We have another one here.
if you have a problem with organizing your cupboards like we do, this is what we did. Rachel, where'd you get these?
Amazon. They're awesome.
They almost look like little desk organizers, but they're actually for spices or what?
Yeah, they're for spices.
And then
Well, really, you can do anything. You can use it as a medicine
Oh, right.
storage. Like you can put your
Up here, what'd you do? You got the,
These little baskets.
what's on the top shelf?
These are my everyday uses of vitamins and Tylenols and ibuprofens or whatever. This is my little treatment area. My inhalers, my thermometers.
She's been calling it medicines and treatments to me, you guys.
I have the treatment top.
It's actually amazing. That cupboard's been so bad for so long. It looks wonderful. So this is Rachel in the shop cooking up dinner. She is a wonderful cook.
Oh, thank you.
And very beautiful too.
Thank you.
A beautiful cook.
A very beautiful cook. Okay, so Rachel's making dinner. The kids are acting crazy. Carson just played with Bonnie outside. We're just relaxing. Pretty much everything else is done. So we're about to call it a night, and I'm brushing my teeth, and all of a sudden, all I hear is Eric!
Was it that big?
No, this is the biggest spider that I've seen inside of the house. That's a hobo.
Oh my god. I'm not sleeping tonight. I can't. No, but
Should we feed it to Luna?
Yeah.